Good morning. Today is November 30th, and I'm here just to go over the planner pages with you for November 30th. So if you go into Mrs. Olson's homeroom course and you look at the monthly planner pages here, you can link to today's date, which is November 30th. So click on that November daily planner. And as you get into the planner, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to today's date, Monday, November 30th. This is just a reminder that everybody does have their own personalized schedule in Schoology. So make sure that you find that schedule because everybody's schedule is just a little bit different. To do that, I'm reading this announcement right here. To do that in Schoology, you're going to go to that red personal schedules folder, click there, and then find your name. Once you find your name, you're the only person that can see the schedule. So you can only see your schedule. If you click on the other people's schedule, you'll notice that they're going to look empty because they're the only people that can see it. And then all you do is click on that schedule and make sure that you're following the schedule as is. Something that you'll want to make sure to notice, and I'm just going to click on Summers just for right now as an example. But something you'll notice that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do have science, and science is actually located in Miss Golinowski's room. So make sure that you're going to Mrs. Golinowski's personal WebEx room, and her code is right there. So that was really the only thing that has changed. Otherwise, we meet every single day at 9 o'clock, and my office hours are still from 10 to 10:45, and 11 o'clock is our next meeting for language arts. And then Tuesdays, Thursdays is that science time. All right, let's look at the schedule for today. So once you're on that schedule, for language arts, we're going to work through the plot diagram and think about where we left off last week, where we are on that plot diagram, and have we hit that climax yet? Your job today is to read chapter 21 on your own, and then there is a discussion blog that you'll see, or a discussion thread, excuse me, and you're going to list 5 to 6 big events of the story. And then lastly, you're going to work on your DLP week 4, day 1. You'll notice that if you go into Schoology, it's the November 30th discussion thread. We can go there just to make sure you see it. So if I go into courses, language arts, and I click on my response journals, you'll scroll all the way down and find November 30th. This is your job today. So after you're reading that chapter 21, let's look at math. Math today, you're just working on your review preview after today's lesson with the generic rectangles. We did CPM lesson 223 together online, and then you'll do the review preview. So when you go into Schoology, math, notice you'll click on week of November 30th through December 4th. Click on November today, November 30th, and there's your review preview that needs to be turned in today. You're going to continue in social studies to work on your culture project. Now, many of you are already done, I can see, with their Culture Cornell notes. That's great. Once these should be done. What you should be working on right now is your project. Your project needs to be completed and is due this Friday on December 4th. So please continue to work on your social studies project this week. If you need a reminder of where to find that project, it's right here. And today there is no science. Remember, you'll join us for science tomorrow in Miss Golinowski's room. And we'll see you at those 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock meetings, or make sure again you're checking your personal daily planner because some of you have other meetings that you will be attending as well. Don't forget also to check on specialists. Remember that specialists are all online now, so you each have a specialist course, and you need to make sure that you're following directions with your specialists.